Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today, this video was inspired by Natalie because she texted me and she said, I made your onion powder. And I said, wow, I need to make a video showing how I do my garlic powder. So today, we're featuring garlic. So, with the garlic now, family, garlic is good for inflammation. It is good to lower your, it helps lower your cholesterol. It supports your immune system. It's good for blood clotting. It is good in antioxidant. And garlic also lowers blood pressure. And another thing with garlic, it helps your food. It improves the taste of your healthy food. So, right? So, garlic is good to eat. There may be some people that will say too much garlic is not good because it gives you the breath. Some people cannot take the garlic breath. But family, the benefits of garlic is worth the breath. Sure. So,
oh yes.
Yes, especially sometimes in some relationships you have one partner that loves garlic and the other that hates garlic. Oh gosh, I say that is so sad because garlic is amazing. So let me show you now how I make my garlic powder. And once you make this, family, you will not go back to buying garlic powder, I promise you. I do it, I leave the skins on. So you get this is about 20 bulbs of garlic. So you get the garlic and you wash it off. You pat it dry or leave it to dry. And then you just separate them, leaving the trash. Leaving the trash. Okay, so when I am doing the powder, I don't usually put any water, because you do not want any. Oh, so I put 20 of these in the 19 now because I'm taking that one out. Okay, that one. So I like to start with a little at first and then work my way up. All right. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour all of it in, trash and all, and work with it. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Alright family, so I could have stopped and used my spatula here to mix it around, but even if all doesn't get blended, it is still going to dehydrate. So this is what it looks like. It's a pasty. So you see all of it, there is some chunks in it, but it's going to be okay. So what we're going to do now is take our dehydrator sheets and so it's always good to put the, if it's something that could be moist, it's good to put it on the Teflex first, or if you do not have the Teflex, you use a grease parchment paper. So it's always good to put it on this first, because if you do not do that, Simple Life, what will happen is it will get stuck to the mesh, and then it's going to be hard to come off. See, there are some that did not get to crumble up, but you know, when you're trying to move. So if I didn't think the dehydrator would have done it, I would have made sure to get everything crumbled. So I'm going to leave a little in here for a recipe that I'm going to do after this one. Okay, so what you do now, family, you just go ahead, and I have a cake spatula that I would normally use, but this one can do the trick too. This spatula here, just press it out. And another thing I have to tell you, so you see, family, I believe that with the skins, it makes it stronger. Right now, can you smell it, sweetie? Do you smell?
Oh yes. Oh,
yeah. I believe the skins make it more stronger, more effective. And that is why it's good if we can grow our own things, or get it non-GMO, or get it organic. Because why would skin be on something if it is not good for us? You know, even banana skins, I believe in some ways they are good for us. So family, this is how I'm gonna do it for now. I'm gonna put it in the dehydrator, and then I'll come back and show you something. You stay. Okay, 1 second. So here I have 2 that is already done. So what you do, you put that in there for about 7 hours. And what I do, family, when something has lots of water, I normally turn the dehydrator up to like 140 for about 2 hours for it to take out most of the water, and then I put it at 105, because you want to keep the nutrients in and you want to keep it as raw as possible. So here is why I tell you it's good to put it on the Teflex sheet. These were put on a Teflex sheet before, so you see, when I spin it over on this to finish drying, it comes up easily. But this one was not, and so it's a little more harder for me to take it up. And guess what, family? I was saving this for another video I'm going to do after this, but I remember I have to blend this to make the powder. So now I have to clean this blender here, because I left my other drum in Canada. So
not good.
right, or now I would be switching over to the other drum. I just remember I don't have 2 drums, so I have to clean this one here. This one would have been perfect to stay right here where it was. Give me 1 second. I thought I would have been really prepared, but I'm not. So instead of washing this now, where I'm going to have extra water to wipe, I'm just dry cleaning it, because it already have the garlic, and I'm using it back for garlic, so it's fine. This part was not planned to be in the video, family. All right, so after, hopefully it's good enough. After I do it like that now, I go ahead and just put these in. So that's it, family. Simple as possible. This one is one that was in there. It's gonna go in just the same. So I could even do half and half. The point is that it's dry. It's dry as chips, so it make the cut. But don't just put wet things on here, because it's going to stick to your thing. You have to let it half dry first on the Teflex and then switch him over to the metal thing. So now let me just blend this up and show you how I do if there's a space. Oh, give me 1 second here. See the mess I am making. 1 second, family. Hold on, I'm coming. Okay. All right. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's just put that there. All right, let's see if this will work. And there you have it, family. Garlic powder. Nice and healthy garlic powder. So good. So good. Hold on. There you go. If I can always go ahead and blend this for it to be finer, but I do not mind the texture of how it is right now. Hold on a second, see. So there you have it. There you have it, family. Your homemade garlic powder. So give it a try. Give it a try. Let me just go ahead and just show you. And it's so strong. It's like, you know how when I buy garlic powder, it doesn't smell this strong to me.
That's true.
You know, this is, you won't even need as much as you would normally use. This is gonna last you for a while. So family, I just hope that you go ahead and get you some garlic, blend it up, dehydrate, blend, that's it. Homemade garlic powder, and you have enough to put in your mason jar to store to last you for a while. So family, I hope that you were blessed by this. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification. Family, when you subscribe, it helps me, and when you like the video, it helps because it allows more people that's searching for something like this to find the video. So thank you for supporting, and blessings.